Hello guys, I'm going to cook mac and cheese, 2 mac and cheeses with rice. Okay. Now, first, you must put water in this pan. You can put how much water. You can put as many as water you can. Just do not overflow. This. It's perfect. And, okay.
Pwede pa nga ulam sa platito.
Okay. Sorry guys for the comedy. And you will open this at this heat.
Wait lang yan, wait
And
lang.
I will wait
Wait lang!
5 minutes. Can you please wait? Thank you. Goodbye. And I'm back. So if you see me, if sorry, if you see smoke or steam from the pot, you can put the mac and cheese. It's up to you if you want 1 or 2, and the rice if how many scoops. And it's starting to boil. And bye-bye. Wait for a minute. And we will proceed. Just do not mind my parents and my sister there. Wait, I don't know to open it. Just wait for a second. And it's there. If you're in the Philippines, do this to the sauce. If it's cheese, you must squish it like a squishy, but do not squish it so hard. Because sometimes if I do this, it pops. So it gets creamy. Now it's starting to steam, and I will tell you a question. Does your mom always watch AI in Facebook? Tell me in the comments. Do not ask why I didn't show the screen, because I'm tired. My hands are tired. But squish the, what is it called again? But just squish the sauce until it's creamy. I'm going to open it. Wait for a sec. I'll be back for